Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply an e-visa to Tajikistan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Also, I would have to clarify now itself that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, e-visas are becoming more and more popular, no doubt. And the way it is applied, like you apply from your home, you get authorization, you travel, and it's very simple, right? And this visa cost you $50, and there's another amount in the currency GBAO. Okay, so let's go through this. So when you're coming on this portal for the first time, you're gonna click on start, and you see there are three steps. Let me show you. Going back, apply, pay, and get. Of course I'm not gonna do pay because this is a sample video. Apply from, you have GBO permit, I'll say no. Country of citizenship, so it's gonna show you eligible countries, those who can apply. So you can check if your country is included here or not. Like I see Canada, India is also included. Wow. Applicant type, individual. Okay. Purpose of visit, tourism. Then again, first one, purpose for visit type. Then you need to do as per your case. I'm selecting this. Okay, entry, single, multiple, whatever is applicable for you. Then you see it auto populated. This is the duration they are gonna grant it to you. You can read FAQ because you may have some questions about when to enter and other questions about refund processing and all right. So what are the details they have sought? Name, gender, marital status. You need to do as per your case. Okay, don't go by what I am doing here because I'm just showing you some sample. Let's say you were born in, okay, city of birth, district of birth, country of birth, whatever is applicable in your case, you do it. Phone number, residential address, confirm email, group identifier. So if you are applying as an individual, it is not required. Email, passport details, permit, date of arrival, address in Tajikistan, confirm, and then you go to the next stage. So I'm gonna fill this and go to the next stage. Oh, the processing fee is 30 USD. Somewhere I saw 50, but it seems it's 30. Okay, fine. Let's go through that. Yeah, if you go for multiple, then it comes 50. Yeah, if I go for single, it is 30. Okay, so based on the number of entry. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna put some information. So in the next step, it is asking you to upload your passport. These are the format and size. Once you do that, in the next step, it's gonna ask you to pay the fee, and then the processing begins. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.